I don't know, I just feel like I've been able to create a bit more and understand a bit more about designing different things.
What do computers give you that you couldn't do any other way?
I don't know, on computers you can kind of visualize what it will look like before you actually make it, so I quite like that.
And how accurately do the computers make things?
Very accurately, but you have to double check that you've done everything correctly before. But
How easy is it to correct your mistakes if you get something wrong?
quite easily, because it kind of, once you get the product, then you can kind of analyze the original design and edit it.
How do you feel when you make a mistake? Do you feel like that's the end of the world?
No, because it's an easy fix. You can just do it quickly on the computer.
And do you think that the laser cutter can make things better than you could do by hand?
Yeah.
Quicker?
Yeah, definitely quicker.
So as you're doing this, does this give you ideas?
Yeah, it gives me quite a lot of ideas for different products that you can design and everything like that.
So could you see how you might even make a living out of using computers?
Yeah, because once you create one design, you can create it over and over again and make quite a lot of profit off of it.
When you come to these sessions, do you look forward to them?
I do, because when I go home, sometimes I have quite a lot of ideas for different things, and then when I come to the class, I can just create them on the computer.